Greetings. My name is Sydney, and welcome to the tour for one of our fantastic accommodations right in the heart of the city. Newarke Point is right on campus, overlooking the River Soar. It's 10 minutes from the city center. Let's have a look. Fast internet is included in the rent, and TV connection points in bedrooms and kitchen. Security-wise, Newarke Point offers 24-hour security system, CCTV, and secure entry areas. Each flat has 5 bedrooms. Each bedroom is fitted with a nice table, a comfy bed, and ensuite facilities. The shared kitchen has a nice place to socialize and unwind. Fitted with a nice breakfast bar, we have other facilities like a cooker, oven, microwave, and toaster, and of course a fridge and a freezer. Don't forget to clean up with the wonderful cleaning supplies. Newarke Point also has coinless laundry facilities in addition to its secure bike storage and outdoor courtyard. For socializing, the common room is a great place to hang out, featuring a nice TV area, dedicated study spaces, and even a nice pool table. And that's a wrap of our tour of Newarke Point. If you're an art design student just like me, well, you'll love it, as it's just a road right across from our award-winning Vijay Patel building. It takes me only 30 seconds to go to my studio. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you around.